How to delete all unwanted WhatsApp photos, videos, and files at once. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings in here. In Settings, scroll down and click on Storage and Data. After you have clicked on Storage and Data, click on Manage Storage at the top. In Manage Storage, at the bottom you'll find all the chats. Select the chat of which you want to delete media. Then click on Select All at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Trash Bin option at the top. Then click on Delete and everything will be deleted. This is how to delete all unwanted WhatsApp photos, videos, and files at once. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.